Hello everyone and welcome to the Victory Forge. In this video I'm going to be showing you the unboxing and quick start guide for the board game Call to Adventure, the Stormlight Archive. This is a game for 1 to 4 players ages 13 and up, and the box estimates between 30 and 60 minutes of playtime. Over the course of this game, each player will choose their hero's path, building traits, making allies, and facing challenges before finally ending with a contest of champions going up against the godlike power of Odium. After opening the box, here is what you will find and how to organize your components. If at any point the text is moving too fast, please feel free to pause and read the instructions. While it certainly does help being familiar with the works of Brandon Sanderson and the Cosmere, you do not need to have read the Stormlight Archive to be able to play this game, and it even comes with an explainer sheet for those who have not. The rulebook provides instructions for several variations, such as the standard game, a solo version, or what I'm going to be showing you, the co-op version, which the game is really geared towards in this version. As you are trying to pick your motivation and destiny cards, it's helpful to look at and try and pair all three of your cards together. Your origin and motivation will show you which runes and abilities you have, and a good rule of thumb is to pick cards that try and match these runes, story icons, or what your third card says. Overall, this game is a great addition to the Call to Adventure series and features some sensational artwork that will enthrall any Brandon Sanderson fan. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you liked it, and we'll see you next time here on The Victory Forge.